How long should a beginner fast? 1 day vs 3 days versus more, continuity opening. In the last video, we clarified what spiritual fasting truly is, and why it's not about starving the body. So naturally, the next question beginners ask is this: how long should I actually fast? Is it 1 day, 3 days, or longer? Let's remove the confusion right now. Addressing beginner pressure. Many beginners feel pressured when they hear stories about long fasts. They see people fasting for 7 days, 21 days, even 40 days, and they think, if I don't do that, my fast doesn't count. Let me say this clearly. Spiritual growth is not measured by how long you suffer. It's measured by obedience and intention. Core principle: duration does not equal spiritual power. Here's a foundational truth every beginner needs to understand. Longer fasts are not automatically more powerful. A short fast done with the right heart, prayer, and focus is far more effective than a long fast done out of pressure or pride. God does not reward endurance. God responds to sincerity. The goal of fasting is alignment, not exhaustion. Beginner fasting options explained. Let's talk practical options for beginners. Option 1. Short-term duration fast of 6 hours 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. Your fast begins at 6 in the morning and ends at midday, 12 p.m. This is ideal if you've never fasted before. You feel nervous about starting. You want to build spiritual discipline slowly. This type of fast absolutely counts. Option 2. Short-term duration fast of 9 hours 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. Your fast begins at 6 in the morning and ends at 3 p.m. in the afternoon. This is the most common and recommended starting point for beginners. It enables you to allow your body to adapt gradually. Establish prayer focus. Learn how your body and spirit respond. Draw insights from your experience fasting. For many beginners, this is a powerful and balanced place to start. Option 3. A dawn to dusk fast of 12 hours 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Your fast begins at 6 in the morning and ends at 6 in the evening, which is a duration of 12 hours. This is the standard Christian fasting duration, usually called a 6 to 6 fast. It is referred to as a dawn to dusk fast, a sunrise to sunset fast, or a sunrise to sundown fast. Fasting options: 24 hours, 48 hours 2 days, 72 hours 3 days. These fasting options are not for beginners and are not recommended for individuals fasting for the first time. Never jump into longer fasts just because others are doing them. Those doing the longer duration of fasts are not beginners. They have moved away from the beginner levels to advanced levels of fasting duration. They have built up over the months or even years of fasting experience is a strong foundation to build on, enabling them move to the longer durations of fasting. As a result, they have adequately prepared their bodies to adapt to the fasting lifestyle and cope with the longer durations of fasting. Above all, they perceive usually a clear leading of the Spirit of God to proceed to the longer durations of fasting. They feel that clear spiritual leading and they follow. What beginners should not do. Let me protect you from some common fasting mistakes. Do not copy advanced fasts. Compete spiritually. Ignore your health or wisdom. Force yourself beyond your capacity. God never rushes spiritual growth. People do. When and how to end a fast. Here's something beginners often fear: ending your fast ahead of time. Ending a fast ahead of time is not failure. It is wisdom. You first have to be alive before you can fast. Closing the fast before time is not a sin. So do not blame yourself or belittle yourself. It's just part of the beginner fasting experience, and you're not the first person and you're not going to be the last. Nothing strange has happened, but such as is common. It's normal when you're just starting out. Cheer up and do it again. Ending a fast ahead of time means you obeyed what you committed to, not that you pushed until collapse. Sometimes the most spiritual thing you can do is stop when led. Discernment is part of obedience. Simple beginner recommendation. If you're just starting out, here's a simple recommendation. Begin with a 1. 6-hour duration fast. 2. 9-hour duration fast. 3. 12-hour duration fast. Focused on prayer, humility, meditation and reflection. Keep it simple, keep it intentional, keep it prayer-centered. That's how spiritual growth begins. Strong bridge to video 3. Now that you know how long a beginner should fast, the next step is critical. Preparation. In the next video, I'll show you how to prepare spiritually before you start a fast, so you don't struggle unnecessarily. Make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.